So what are the products and services that are going to dominate hair loss in 2026? Well, I've narrowed them down to a list of 6. And some of these are going to be familiar and some of them are going to surprise a few of you. JAK inhibitors for alopecia areata are no longer a what if. They are here. What makes 2026 different is accessibility. More dermatologists are prescribing them, more insurance plans are covering them, and more patients are finally seeing results at a scale. For people with patchy or total hair loss, this is the first time real targeted treatment is becoming mainstream. Next on our list is a treatment you've heard of before, Biralutamide, better known as KX826. This is a topical anti-androgen specifically designed for male and female pattern hair loss. Clinical trials in China are wrapping up, and the company has already said they are aiming for a regulatory submission this year. Even before it hits pharmacy shelves, the data alone could send shockwaves through the hair loss industry. For anyone frustrated with finasteride side effects or limitations, Biralutamide could be the first true new option in decades.
Hey, my name's Jack and I have great hair. But seriously, are you still searching for a hair product that actually does what it promises? Then stop wasting cash on stuff that doesn't work. Look, I get it. You need something legit. I did too. That's why my hair implants are so good. They make licensed, custom-made formulas in a world-class facility in the UK. They figure out exactly what your hair needs and ship that professional-grade quality straight to you, anywhere in the world. Ready to feel good about your hair again? Hit that link below to sign up and snag 20% off your first custom order.
The next product is a biotech product that is either already on the market or very, very close to being available on the market. And then we have RNA cosmetics like Cosme RNA. It is not technically a drug, it is sold as a cosmetic, but it uses cutting-edge siRNA technology to influence the biology of hair. In 2026, you're going to see it everywhere. In clinics, on influencer feeds, in cosmetic stores. Is it as strong as a prescription? No, but the fact you can buy a biotech-based product without a prescription is a major cultural shift, and people are going to experiment with it. The next product is a controversial one because I've actually made a video on this channel expressing my concerns about it in terms of its side effects, but since then it has become so popular and people seem to just don't care about the risk of long-term side effects and are just going for it. But here is where it gets really interesting. The biggest story in 2026 isn't just what's new, it's how we are thinking or rethinking the tools we already have and how to use them better. Take low-dose oral minoxidil. Once a quiet off-label trick, it is now one of the hottest topics in dermatology. It's cheap, effective, and are far less messy than topical versions. In 2026, expect it to go fully mainstream, especially among women dealing with diffuse hair thinning. The next product is a device that I think is so underrated, and I still don't know why, because it's a wonderful device. Next, I think combination approaches are going to be big next year. Microneedling plus minoxidil or finasteride is quickly moving from fringe to first line. More clinics are offering it and more patients are demanding it. Dutasteride is another example. Once considered a last resort drug, it is starting to move up the ladder, often in lower doses, giving patients an alternative to finasteride that can be even more powerful. And the next product on the list, well, it's actually a service that I think has been around for years and is only going to get bigger in 2026. On the cosmetic and surgical front, platelet-rich plasma or PRP is fading, while exosomes are still in the spotlight. Even though regulators haven't approved them yet, expect to see a ton of hype and confusion around this space in 2026. And of course, hair transplants just keep growing. No shave and long hair FUE are making procedures more discreet. Younger men are financing transplants and women are increasingly turning to eyebrow and hairline procedures. So if you enjoyed this video, Here is a video I've selected for you that I think you'll also find interesting.